The game. $50,000 a day trading crypto. Hi, my name is Joey. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon for future updates on both physical and digital products. If you want to skip this video and like to visit the official website directly, then please check the first link in the description. Let's get started. I'm a gambler. I like to play games like daily fantasy sports and blackjack where I can make a profit, where skill comes into play. So when I stumbled upon a cryptocurrency game, I was intrigued. The first few times I played it, I lost money. It seemed easy on the surface, but I always ended up with less money at the end. I was frustrated because it seemed so easy I knew could beat it. Then I found the cheat code. The first time I used the cheat code, I won about $500 in 30 minutes of play with small stakes. Last night I decided to really take it seriously, and with still relatively small stakes I was able to win $4,500 in about 2 hours. Not bad for playing a game. I'm going to keep playing and see how far I can take it. The person I found out about it from has a friend that makes $13,000 per day playing it. Want the cheat code? It's a free bonus that comes with this. $50,000 in 4 hours crypto method. But before, we have to know, what is cryptocurrency trading? Cryptocurrency trading is the act of speculating on cryptocurrency price movements via a CFD trading account, or buying and selling the underlying coins via an exchange. CFD trading on cryptocurrencies. CFDs trading are derivatives, which enable you to speculate on cryptocurrency price movements without taking ownership of the underlying coins. You can go long, buy, if you think a cryptocurrency will rise in value, or short, sell, if you think it will fall. Both are leveraged products, meaning you only need to put up a small deposit, known as margin, to gain full exposure to the underlying market. Your profit or loss are still calculated according to the full size of your position, so leverage will magnify both profits and losses. Let me explain you my crypto method. Saturday before last I was playing around with a free crypto tool. Let me preface this by saying that I'm not a crypto expert by any stretch of the imagination. But I am an expert at making money online, and there was one particular aspect of cryptocurrency trading that I noticed very few people were talking about. Of the hundreds of crypto videos I searched on YouTube, I saw none that showed how to do this method. There were a couple that touched on various aspects, but none that were doing exactly what I was trying to do. So I got this free tool, and I figured I'd test my method to see if I could make it work. I started with $3,000. In less than an hour I burned through $1,500 with zero return. I was frustrated, and I had some other stuff to do, so I used my tool and I quickly dumped the remaining $1,500 into one trade. I went to the barber with my son, ran a few errands and came back home. I totally forgot about the $1,500 until I had been home for about an hour. Let me check to see what happened. It probably went down the drain like the other $1,500. When I pulled up my balance, I couldn't believe what I saw. I refreshed the screen. I logged in and out. I still saw the same number. $49,900. My $1,500 had turned into almost $50,000 in less than 4 hours. I was blown away. Looks like there was a little promise with my method. My first thought was, I'm going to be Mr. $50,000 a day in crypto. If I can turn $1,500 into $50,000, imagine what I can do with this $50,000. I should at least have $250,000 by Monday, right? So, brimming with overconfidence and much ignorance, I proceeded to blow through most of the $50,000 on Sunday. By midweek I had pretty much lost it all. What happened to my $50,000 a day crypto empire? Did I just get lucky on Saturday? I did a deep dive and reverse engineered exactly what happened so I could build a repeatable process. Even though it really sucked losing $50,000, I needed that to refine the process and figure out what not to do. There are a lot of scams in crypto trading and I fell for them all. Most marketers would stop the story at making the $50,000. Most marketers wouldn't tell you they got tricked out of thousands of dollars. But I'm not most marketers, and I'm gonna keep it real. You're gonna get the good, the bad, and the ugly. Because if you choose to learn my method, me losing that money will mean that you won't. So after all that, I came up with a repeatable process that can produce big gains every day. I also developed fast and easy ways to identify and avoid the multitude of scam tokens out there. For every one legit coin there are 95 scam ones. No exaggeration. It's that bad. And the scammers are very good and always adapting. So wading through all those and identifying the real opportunities is the biggest challenge with my method. Through the school of hard knocks I learned how to do this, and quickly. Now, I have it down into a system that works every day, whether the market is up or down. Since my 50k loss debacle I've been trading smaller amounts, so I haven't hit the 50k mark again yet, but the method has been working consistently. Anyone can do this. And you don't have to start with $1,500 either. You can start with any amount. I met a guy doing something similar that turned $9 into $23k in a month's time. Would you like to learn my method and tools? I did a private training on June 15th which I recorded going through the entire method step by step. You'll see all the tools, which are free, and most importantly you'll learn how to quickly determine whether or not the deal is a scam. I thought the 22x I got was luck, but those deals are out there every day. Every single day. You just have to know how to find them, and I'll show you exactly how. Why am I doing this? Unlike marketing, with this method the more the merrier. The more people that buy the more the prices go up, and that's what we want. The cost? $57 one time. I'm not going to oversell this, either you get the value of knowing how to 5 to 10x every day or you don't. You can literally make the $57 back tomorrow evening after the training. I plan to hire some people and do this in a big way. This can be scaled, the possibilities are endless. We're gonna talk about that too. There's nothing better than being able to generate money on demand. Especially when your costs are zero, besides the training. No traffic to buy. No software. No offers. No optimizing pages or ads. No fighting with Facebook. Just put money in and get more money out. Get the recording and the live training tonight and let's crush it together. Free bonus, a very profitable game. I'm a gambler. I like to play games like DraftKings and Blackjack where I can make a profit. Where skill comes into play. So when I stumbled upon a cryptocurrency game I was intrigued. The first few times I played it I lost money. It seemed easy on the surface but I always ended up with less money at the end. I was frustrated because it seemed so easy I knew could beat it. Then I found the cheat code. The first time I used the cheat code I won about $500 in 30 minutes of play with small stakes. Last night I decided to really take it seriously, and with still relatively small stakes I was able to win $4,500 in about 2 hours. Not bad for playing a game. I'm going to keep playing and see how far I can take it. The person I found out about it from has a friend that makes $13k per day playing it. Want the cheat code? This is the only place you can get this information. Order now? $57, one-time payment. For more information please check the first link in the description.